Hey rice lovers, are you tired of struggling with inconsistent, messy, and time-consuming rice cooking methods? If so, I've got a game changer for you. Hey guys, welcome. I'm Danny, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my method for cooking perfect rice in the microwave. I've been using this method for over 2 years now, and trust me, once you master it, you will not go back to any other method. Cooking rice in the microwave has many advantages. The first one being consistency. If you use the same amount of rice, the same amount of water, and cook it for the same amount of time, it will come out perfectly consistent every single time. Plus, it's super convenient. Cooking rice in the microwave frees up stovetop space, and it takes less time overall. And let's face it, rice isn't the messiest thing to cook, but cooking it in the microwave eliminates any chance of spilling or boiling over your rice. So if you're ready to unlock the secret of perfect rice every single time, stay tuned. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you never have to deal with disappointing rice ever again. Let's go. The first thing you're going to need for cooking rice in the microwave is a microwave safe container. Now you could use any sort of glass bowl or dish that will fit your rice, water, and can go in the microwave. You could use a glass Pyrex dish like this that has a lid. You could use a bowl and place a plate on top of it as a lid. I personally use my Anyday microwave cookware. It's super convenient. It's made for cooking in the microwave. I use it all the time. But like I said, you don't need anything like that. You can use literally any microwave safe vessel that can hold the rice and water and can be covered. Now I've already measured out my ingredients. Today I'm going to be cooking 1.5 cups of rice. And when I cook rice using this method, 1.5 cups of rice is going to take 2 cups of water. It might be a little less than you're used to using, but since the microwave is much more efficient than the stovetop, you will lose a lot less to steam. So again, it's 1.5 cups rice and 2 cups of water. Now the very first step is going to be to rinse your rice, okay? I've only been rinsing my rice for about a year now, which is kind of embarrassing to be honest. If you've been rinsing your rice forever, you're way ahead of me, okay? First of all, you're going to get a much better consistency out of your rice. The texture is going to be better. It's going to be fluffier if you rinse it. And second of all, just wait till you see all the dust and dirt that is going to come out when you rinse it. You're going to be disgusted. So let me get this rice rinsed really quick and I'll be right back to you. My rice is rinsed and now it's ready to cook. Now me personally, I normally rinse my rice right in the cooking container and just drain off as much water as possible into the sink. If you have a colander or a strainer with fine enough holes, you can rinse it in there if you'd like, but this is just a lot easier for me. Less mess is always good. After I've rinsed my rice, I'm ready to add my water. Remember, this was 1.5 cups and I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Now I just need to make sure I don't have any rice kernels sticking to the side of the bowl above the water and that the rice is in a somewhat even layer on the bottom of this bowl. Once the water's in, I'm just going to add the lid onto my cooker. The Anyday has a vent in the top, which I'm going to leave open to vent. Now, if you're using something like a Pyrex bowl with a glass lid, that's going to be just fine because that does allow steam to escape, as well as like a bowl with a plate on top that's going to allow your steam to escape also. So as long as there's somewhere for steam to escape, you're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and cook this in the microwave now at power level 3 for 25 minutes, okay? Your microwave, I would recommend trying out power level 4 the first time. That's what I did. It was just a little bit overdone for my taste, so I started using 3, and it comes out perfect every single time, okay? Like I said, this is going to cook for 25 minutes. After that, I'm going to let it stand in the microwave for 5 more minutes, and I'm not going to touch it for those 5 minutes. That's very important, okay? After those 5 minutes, I'm going to take it out, I'm going to fluff the rice, and we're going to be ready to go. I'm ready to cook this rice if you are. Let's go. After cooking 25 minutes in the microwave and resting an additional 5 minutes, our rice is finally ready to eat. But before I open this, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you are getting any value out of this video, please poke that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, I urge you to subscribe to my channel. I release new videos every single week. Without any further ado, it's time to crack this puppy open and see what we got. Ooh, it smells great. I can already tell this rice is cooked perfectly. It has just the right amount of stickiness, it's super fluffy, and it is ready to be enjoyed as is, added to your favorite rice dishes, or to be eaten like my kids like, covered in butter. Let me know your favorite way to eat rice in the comments below. I'll see you again soon.